Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another free card kit of the month video on my YouTube channel and blog. In order to get this free card kit sent right to your door, you just have to use the host code in my online store when you're shopping with me. You'll find the current host code on my blog. You'll also find it in different places like Facebook and right here. And now let's get into how to create this card. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the stamp set called Biggest Wish. I really like it because of the blocky letters and also the scripty font. I love that. So normally in a card kit, I try to give you two different examples or colorways, if you will. So I'm using Bumblebee and Just Jade for these two examples. And I do have a smattering of different pattern paper. We just had a large pattern paper sale last month, so I figured that you might have some loud pattern paper that you might want to use. This is In the Wild, the one that I'm working on right now, and the other one is called Sweet Symmetry. So both of these have that beautiful Just Jade color in it, so mix and match all you want. The basic white piece has been embossed with the Tasteful Textiles 3D folder. It's really nice. You may not be able to see it on video here, but it is there, and it gives a unique feel and look to these cards. So I believe I just put the strip of pattern paper about 1/2 inch from my left hand side. Now these are circle dies that I have cut out for the sentiment. And of course, you know, if you don't have the sentiment, don't use it. If you have something else that would go along with it, do it. You do you, ladies and gents. So I am stamping the large hello, and I'm stamping off, so that's called second generation stamping. It's just to get a lighter color because I didn't want it to compete with my scripty font here, and that says friend. So it says hello friend. I quite like the way you can stack these sentiments. So that is a straight circle going on a scallop circle, and that's basic white regular weight stamping paper, and the cardstock is again Just Jade, and then I use Calypso Coral for the Bumblebee card base. And of course, like I said, if you want to mix them all together, you totally can. You do whatever you would like to do with this card kit. It is yours. I'm sure that people might be able to, say, wrap some twine around it or put embellishments on it. I didn't have either of those, enough anyway, to give to everyone. So we'll have to suffice with the copious amounts of embossing and die cutting that I did for these card kits. And what I'm using is Wink of Stella, and I'm going over the large blocky sentiment because sometimes the Wink of Stella sort of evens out some of the colors, and it just adds sparkle. So that's my card for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Don't forget to use the host code. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.